So this whole week, as the rain has continued to fall, we've been watching, our rain totals continue to grow, and we're now close to maybe setting a new record.
Yeah, so the #1 record is over 12 inches. We are very close to 12 inches as of this morning. So Jennifer, it's almost a sure bet that we will break it and have the wettest February on record. We have seen so much rain over the last week. In fact, I put this map together. This shows over the last 7 days how much rain we have gotten. You can see the map for areas southwest running out of colors to indicate that. There are radar estimates that over 12 inches. That's a foot of rain that has fallen in some portions of Wayne County, Lawrence County, Perry, Lewis County. That is where we've got heavy rain this morning. That is our area of concern right now. Take a look at satellite and radar. I mentioned this earlier in the show. If you were watching, I said we've got some stronger storms that are in northern Mississippi moving into West Tennessee right now. As this continues on a northeasterly track here, this will only increase our threat for flooding in these areas. It's 6:48 right now. Flash flood warnings in Perry County, Wayne, Lawrence, Giles were set to expire by 7. National Weather Service has said they are going to go ahead and continue that warning up until 10 o'clock because of those storms I mentioned coming out of West Tennessee. They are also going to be adding Hickman, Lewis, Murray County, and I believe another county into that flash flood warning. We'll wait and see when they issue that. It should be coming at the top of the 7 o'clock, and we'll keep you updated. But here's an early warning. If you are in places like Hohenwald over towards Columbia, in Hickman County near the Duck River, more heavy rain is on the way. A flash flood warning is about to go into effect for you. Ongoing rain will be the problem as we head throughout the next several hours. Now, north of 40, you saw on that map, has not seen as much rain. So while flood-prone spots, creeks, rivers, and streams are something we will be watching, the higher threat for flooding still remains south of I-40 over the next couple of hours. This is a look at how much rain we're going to add just today into tomorrow on top of what we've already got. We could see another 2 to 3 inches, and that's just going to continue to aggravate those areas that don't need any more rain. Looking at ExactTrack as we go up until 10, 11 o'clock, waves of heavy rainfall will continue. A little break, though, notice at 12 to 1 p.m. This is a look at 2 o'clock, so from lunchtime till about 2, rain starts to lighten up. It does even look like for areas south, we might even get some peaks of sunshine. That is something we'll be watching very closely because especially in this area where we could get some more instability, where if the atmosphere can destabilize itself, that just increases our threat to potentially see severe weather later this afternoon and this evening. So this first round of rain this morning, flooding is our concern. Our second round comes around 3, 4 o'clock. You'll see that broken line of storms moving in, damaging winds with the potential to see some tornadoes and heavy rainfall, flooding, all a concern with this second wave. Looking between 5 to 7 p.m. these storms to move across the I-65 corridor. From there, they'll be moving to areas east. This is as a cold front moves through, bringing those storms over towards our plateau counties between 8, 9, 10 p.m. This exits the area by midnight. And then we're done. Guys, the faucet is off. Sunday is actually looking dry, something that we will be looking forward to after this bumpy day of weather. Now, I mentioned for areas southwest, we'll be watching for rain to end and the potential of sunshine. They have been upgraded to a moderate risk, category 4 out of 5 to see some stronger storms. It's highly unusual to see this time in February to see a moderate risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center. The rest of us are under an enhanced risk. So along 65 into areas west, you've got the greatest chance to see some stronger storms today. Areas east towards Crossville, places like Warren County under a slight risk. So the entire viewing area at least has a chance to see some stronger storms. And I'll say this, because our ground is so saturated with the flooding concern and any kind of wind, it doesn't even have to be severe wind. It could knock some trees over. It could cause some power outages. So go ahead and download our Storm Shield app. It's a great resource to have on your phone. Keep it charged just in case the power goes out where you're at. We're looking at a stretch of some dry days. Thankfully, on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we'll see some sunshine and the rain will finally move out.